Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add GST in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the settings icon, then look for taxes and compliance section, then click on taxes. So we're just going to add in new tax. Just click on the new tax button. And from here, just fill in all the necessary information about the tax, such as the tax name and rate or tax rate. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!